The average American is sitting on over $8,000 in credit card debt right now. At 22% interest, that is roughly $1,700 a year going straight to the bank. Not your rent, not your savings, just the cost of owing money. If you are living paycheck to paycheck and watching a chunk of every paycheck disappear before you can breathe, you are not alone. Nearly half of all credit card holders are carrying a balance right now. And that money anxiety you feel every time you check your account, that is not a character flaw. The system is doing exactly what it was designed to do. But here is what nobody tells you. You are not bad with money. The minimum payment trap is designed to keep you paying forever. And today we are going to break it. By the end of this video, you will know the exact debt payoff strategy that works for real people. Why the math on your credit card statement is rigged against you. And the 3 steps you can take tonight to start your debt-free journey. No vague advice, real numbers, a real plan. Let me show you something that changed how I think about debt. Look at your credit card statement. See that minimum payment line? Maybe it says $35 on a $5,000 balance. Feels manageable. Feels like the bank is being generous. They are not being generous. They are trapping you. Think of your debt like a boat with a hole in it. Water rushes in every month. That water is interest. Your minimum payment is a tiny bucket. You are bailing out just enough to keep from sinking today, but you are never fixing the hole. This is the minimum payment trap, and millions of people are stuck in it right now. Here is what it looks like in real numbers. $5,000 at 22% interest, paying only the minimum. Over 6 years to pay off. And you hand the bank an extra $4,300 in interest. You buy everything on that card twice. Now, here is where it gets interesting. If you want to get out of debt fast, you need a debt payoff strategy. The 2 most popular are the debt avalanche and the debt snowball method. The avalanche says pay off the highest interest rate first. Saves the most money mathematically. The snowball method says pay off the smallest balance first to build momentum. The brutal truth? The math does not matter if you quit after 2 months. Most people try the avalanche, attack a massive balance, see no progress for weeks. Get discouraged, swipe the card again, and end up right back where they started. Personal finance is 80% behavior and 20% head knowledge. If you need to see progress to stay motivated, start with the debt snowball method. Take your smallest debt, maybe a $300 medical bill, pay minimums on everything else, and throw every spare dollar at it. When it is dead, roll that payment into the next one. The snowball grows. Momentum builds. And that debt payoff motivation you have been looking for? It comes from watching balances actually hit zero. But this next part is what most finance channels skip entirely. You cannot budget your way out of a math problem. If rent is $1,400, groceries are $500, your car is $350, and you bring home $2,800 a month. Cutting a $5 coffee changes nothing. You do not have a spending problem. You have an income problem. And pretending otherwise keeps people stuck paycheck to paycheck for years. In 2026, inflation has pushed the cost of living higher than ever. If you want to aggressively pay down debt, you have to widen the gap between what you earn and what you spend. One approach is a temporary sprint, 3 to 6 months where you freelance, drive on weekends, or pick up extra shifts. Not forever. But if you can generate an extra $500 to $1,000 a month and put every cent toward your target debt, the math changes completely. That 6-year payoff? With an extra $500 a month, it drops to under 2.5 years. You save over $3,000 in interest, same debt, completely different outcome. This is how real people are getting out of debt fast. Here is your 3-step blueprint starting tonight. Step 1. Face the numbers. Write down every debt. The balance, the minimum, and the interest rate. You cannot beat what you have not measured. Step 2. Automate every minimum. Set up autopay on every account. One missed payment can trigger penalty rates as high as 29%. Protect your baseline. Step 3. Pick one target and go to war. Smallest balance or highest rate, your call. Every extra dollar this month goes at that one debt. Nothing else. Your debt-free journey starts with one decision. Not a perfect budget. Not a raise. Just the decision to stop paying the minimum and start fighting back. If this helped you see your money differently, subscribe. Cash Blueprint is here to help you take control. And the next video breaks down exactly how to build that extra income. I will see you there.